Hello students, good evening. Today we are going to discuss the problems on Lindelar catalyst student. Okay, so Lindelar's catalyst, if you talk about this one student, this is used for what student? This is used for partial reduction. Okay, partial reduction. What is partial reduction student? That is not complete reduction. Partial reduction of alkynes to alkynes, alkynes, alkynes to, okay, cis alkene, alkynes to what student? That is cis alkene, that you have to keep in mind. And what is this catalyst is all about student? If you talk about the catalyst, this catalyst is the chemically it is, that is H palladize, H2, you can write that is PD, BaSO4, palladize barium sulfate or palladize barium carbonate, okay, or that is we can write that is this one, at the place of barium sulfate you can write PdCO3 palladium carbonate, or that is you can write, okay, barium carbonate, okay. So that is H2 you have to take, and this is the barium carbonate, okay, CaCO3. So better, that is at the place of sulfonate you have to take student carbonate, okay. So these two catalysts we have to use. These are known as what student? That is the Lindelar catalyst. These are known as what? Lindelar catalyst, okay, Lindelar catalyst. They are the student, that is if you talk about Lindelar catalyst is weak catalyst student, weak catalyst, because if you talk about the other student like that nickel you are taking, palladium you are taking, that is platinum you are taking, it will completely reduce the alkynes to alkane, okay. But we need what student? We need alkenes, we need alkenes. So how the process takes place student? Let us try to understand the reactions of this, because we are going to discuss the problem based on it student. So here you try to understand. The first problem is, suppose we are taking student CH3, that is C, this is triple bond C, again we are having CH3, you take that is H2 student, H2. So one hydrogen will go here, another hydrogen is go in here, and that is catalyst what is having student? PdCaCO3, or you can see student PD, okay. If you talk about that is, you can take another student barium carbonate, Ba carbonate, CaCO3, anyone you can say. These are the Lindelar catalysts. So what will happen student? Here it will give that is cis alkene, okay. So here is CH3 is going, here is again CH3 is going, here is hydrogen, and this is hydrogen. So this is what is student? This is known as cis alkenes. That is what is the, this is the but is there student, but 2 ions, okay. And here is what is student? Cis alkene, or the name is what is student? That is what is known as but2ene, okay. And this is the what is student? Cis but2ene. So this is the very first example of the that is a Lindelar catalyst. And now what we are going to do student? We are going to discuss the some other problem. What are the other problem student? Let us have a look over it. This is the very important student to prepare the symmetrical alkenes, okay, Lindelar catalyst, that you have to keep in mind, dear students. So another example, if you talk about this one is there students, you can have this look, okay. This is the alkene. Here is 1, this is 2, this is 3, 4, 5, this is 6, 7. So this is what is student? Hept2 ine, okay. Now you are taking that is H2, you are taking student H2, and now what we are going to do student? We are taking that is palladium carbonate, okay, or you are saying that is barium carbonate, okay. This is Lindelar catalyst. So what the compound you are going to get here student? You try to watch out this. So firstly here nothing is going to happen in this upper one, right student? This much is as it is. Then it will be that is, here will be the alkene double bond, right student? And here it will go 1, this is methyl group. Now you can take the another example student, like that we have taken here, we can count from 1 2 3 4, this is 5, and this is 6 and 7. So that is if you are talking a student hept. So student, if you see in this molecule what is there, double bond along with the triple bond is there, right? And if double bond and triple bond both are there, so that is Lindelar catalyst only reduce that is triple bond to double bond, not it is not going to influence the double bond. So what will be the product here? You see student, the product will be as it is. Here you can see this is the product student. Here is hydrogen, here is hydrogen, and it will be double bond. You can count out 1 2, this is 3 4 5 6 7. So what will be there student? This will be hept, okay, 2 in, okay, hept 2 comma, hept 2 comma. Now you don't have to number here, you have to number from this side student. No, that is okay, there is no branching na? So any direction you can number, it will be the 2 only. So you can write that is hept, here will be 2 comma 5, it will be diene, you know, hept 2 comma 5 diene student. Now if you see student, we can go for the another example, right? So you keep in mind student that you are going to prepare the cis alkene only, okay? It will prepare, I will explain with the help of mechanism that why it is the forming cis alkene. Now let us have the another example student. What the example I am taking here, you can see, okay, this is the example. Here will be the double bond student, and if you see here is the triple bond, and here is the methyl group, okay, this is the methyl group, and you are taking that is H2 molecule, and here is that is PD, and what is there student? PD, palladium is there, and carbonate you are taking, okay, and either you can say that is barium carbonate, you can say student CaCO3, barium in calcium carbonate. So what it is going to do student, it is going to reduce this molecule only, it is not going to, but what the important things we have to frame, that is cis alkene, right? So you see student, here will be the double bond, right? Here up now double bond is there, means here will be the methyl group, and another is the, like that you can put it out student, right? Here is double bond, okay. Now this position, if you see, here is the methyl group also, and here is the hydrogen, and here is the hydrogen. So you can number it out student, 1 2, this is 3 4 5 6 and 7. So what you can write here, if you see numbering student, that you have to do 1, this is the 2, okay, but here numbering you have to do here from this side, so 1, this is 2, this is 3 4 5 6 and 7. So if you are writing the name student, so that will come 4 methyl, okay, 4 methyl, and that will come, that is hept, and that is on second position what is there, in, and that is fifth position ine is there, right? And here what the numbering, if you are talking about, this is the hept, this is hept, and that is the firstly it is there, that is on fourth position there is methyl group, so 4 methyl, and that is hept 2 comma 5, it will be the diene. This is what is the, and this is the before that we have to use the term, that is cis, because that is alkyl group are all same side student, that is why we are using, see this is group are the similar side, and hydrogen are the same side, that is what is known as student, that is cis alkene is being formed. Let us have a look over the next problem students, okay. So you can easily be able to do this kind of problem dear students, but you need to keep in mind that is what is the our catalyst is required student, right? So if you see one more problem I am giving student, that I am having this molecule students, right? Wait, this is the molecule type students, right? And here we are using the H2, okay, and this is the palladium carbonate, palladized calcium carbonate, or that is barium calcium carbonate. This is Lindelar catalyst. So dear students, that is it is going to reduce this one, and you are going to get what, that is the cis alkene you are going to get. So how the product will be formed student, how the product will be formed? So firstly you take this double bond, right? So double bond you are taking, one is going this one, this methyl group, and this one group is already there, okay, then it is coming out and then it is there like this, okay, and here is the same group, and here will be, that is what is, this is hydrogen coming out, it is hydrogen coming out, here is double bond. So you see student, this is again what is, that is cis alkene is coming student, cis alkene, right? So that is what is, if you talk about this one student, this will be the required compound whatever we need, this one, right students? So I hope this will be helpful student to understand, you know, to easily understand, that is how to form the cis alkene and how to form the trans alkene. Let us have a look over the one more problem students, okay. The keep in mind student, that is we have to form that is cis alkene only, right? So what I am going to do student, problem you can easily understand now. Now we are going to understand the mechanism, okay, mechanism. So this is the only, it involved in the, it involved what kind of, you know, it involved what kind of mechanism student, it involved that is adsorption mechanism, you know, it involved adsorption mechanism. So what is adsorption mechanism, that we have to check it out, okay. So here you see student, it is, that is CH3, this is C, triple bond is there, okay, here is the triple bond is there, 1 2 3, and here is CH3, okay. Now we are having, that is palladium is there, you know, and calcium carbonate is there. Here is, that is so many hydrogen molecule are, that is adsorb on the surface of this catalyst student. So this one hydrogen molecule is there and this here is absorbing. So what will happen student, this will see, that is hydrogen is going to attack here, that is this hydrogen, okay. Now it will be the double bond, here is hydrogen, and here will be, that is methyl group is going this side and methyl group is also going this side. So that is what is coming student, cis, that is but and 2 in. So this is what is the mechanism is all about from the Lindlar catalyst student. The mechanism is not that is that much of the tough mechanism student. Now if you are coming for the, that is the aromatic compound, if you are taking the aromatic compound, let us see how the reaction will proceed it out student. Suppose I am having this one, I know I am taking the Lindlar catalyst only, this is, okay, here is I am having this compound. So that is the double bonded compound, double bond is there student, and if you are taking this one Lindlar catalyst, how can you be able to reduce this one? So that is double bonded compound get reduced student if you are taking the H2, and that is we are adding palladium, palladized, you know, calcium carbonate, okay. So see how it will reduce, one hydrogen is going this one, another hydrogen is going this one, so it will form the compound like this students, okay. So here is what is, that is methyl group, here methyl group, and this is like that. So this is the product student, that you have to keep in mind, that is what kind of product is getting formed student in this all the process. Thank you so much for watching friend. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe the channel student. Thank you so much for watching friends.